So you want to know if Next Level Creators can truly help you grow your video production company, deliver more value to your clients, and help you find more freedom and fulfillment in your life as a filmmaker, video creator, or production company, which is precisely why my team and I have invested a tremendous amount of time and energy into putting together this page and everything that you see below here. We have all been on free trainings, we've seen the case studies, webinar presentations, and had people promise certain results to us at this point. And many times, when deciding on whether or not to invest in a mentor or program, you have nothing but the sales page to go off of where the person is showing you 10 or 20 testimonials, which are most likely just friends of theirs in the industry who were already successful, right? Or, it's their 3 to 5 moonshot client success stories, and they've never worked with anyone else. So when you get into it and you start working with these people, they really can't do what they told you they could do. They can't deliver, which led my team and I to decide to do something radical here by creating this webpage to show you the extent and the depth of results that we are able to bring our clients from all over the world each and every single month. Because you see, the true and real measure of how good a mentor isn't how good that individual is at their specific skill even. It's whether they can translate actionable, proven methodologies that will work for you where you are at in your business right now, and how good they are at getting their clients' results, even if those clients want different things. They're smaller, bigger, a different shape or size than the company the mentor has. And every single day, we are literally bombarded with Facebook posts, videos from clients that didn't think their goals were even possible before working with us. And then they came in, we started working together, and their companies skyrocketed. Their production companies are growing like wildfire, and they're having more fun than ever before. So, you see, I understand that it's part of our job here to help you do your market research. And so when I asked myself, if I was in your position, what would I want to see? And the answer was, I want to see that this system, the Creators Operating System, is proven. It's been working for a long time, and it's working right now for people just like me. Now, it's important I share with you, though, Next Level Creators is not some overnight success, and we didn't just learn from somebody else and copy them, which makes us the best program for building a video production agency, okay? This has been years of my team and I digging into how to get our clients results fast as possible on a consistent, predictable, and controlled basis in the most cost-effective way possible. So here's how I want you to use this page. First, you'll see basically at the top in the navigation, there's different sections. Start by reviewing the reviews section, where you'll see different screenshots from our exclusive client community, where they're posting lights, camera, action. And what that is when one of our clients earns a new deal or makes a huge breakthrough in their company, they share in our community by posting lights, camera, action, and we'll be sharing those successes every single month with you here on this page. Then, in the navigation, click on stories after you've seen enough of those. And we have over 100 success stories in video format on our main website, which you can peruse through. But here on this page, we have different people from different backgrounds. And I've done 10 different stories from a variety of different people at different levels in their career or growth, and how we've been able to impact their success, which that way you can see the diversity of success that we are able to produce for filmmakers all over the world at different stages of their growth. Then navigate to the interview section above. And again, there are dozens of interviews on our full website, which you can watch. But I've taken 10 from a diverse group of creators, again, from around the world. And those interviews that are right below here are a longer format. And we often go really deep into strategy. So you'll actually learn a lot just from watching those interviews. And you'll see there's an FAQ section above as well, where you can learn about frequently asked questions and what it's like, the experience of working with us here. There's a details section above as well. That has to do with the core challenges we help our clients to resolve in their companies. And finally, there's a webinar replay, which you can watch at the very bottom of this page. You can share it with your partners, your parents, your spouse, anyone who you need to support you in this pivot or shift you want to make in your production company. So our real objective with this page is to show you that time and time again, we can do what we say we can do if you are a good fit. And no, if you haven't applied and had a strategy session with us, I do not know if we're a good fit because we actually have to have a conversation with you. On average, 70% of the people we talk to, we don't even make offers to because we aren't 100% certain it's a great fit. So we tell them no, which is completely different from how most mentors and education programs out there are treating people today. But as you'll see, if you pay attention to my team, what we do here for long enough, we fully practice what we preach. Our goal is not just to bring in as many clients as we can. The goal is to find and only work with people that we can actually help, and that'd be fun to work with and help them grow. And if we can't help you, we'll let you know that and do our absolute best to point you in a different direction so you can get the help that you do need and build the business that you want to. So take a couple minutes right now. Look through everything on this page, the stories, watch our webinar, look at the successes, and if you believe there's even a chance we could help you identify one of your challenges and solve it faster than you could on your own, book a strategy call with us so we can talk to you. Even if it's not a great fit, you will walk away from that conversation with a new perspective on the key functions that you need to know to grow. And if after reviewing everything on this page, you're still skeptical, which I get it. Sometimes you need more. And you don't believe that this could really work for you, then if that's the case, I recommend joining our free Facebook community. There's a link to it at the bottom of this page here, and ask questions, join the conversation. We have free monthly trainings. And with that being said, I'm going to leave you to it. If you have any questions, we're here to help you. Book a strategy call, and we'll talk soon. For now, go ahead, review this page, and as always, seize the day, my friend.